Welcome back, guys. Thank you for coming from my channel. Today we got some mods for my 2011 Camaro. We already changed the front end for a zl1 180E. Today we got the hood. Today is the day. It's been like 2 months waiting for this. And we got it today, baby. Yes. Let me show you. I already opened it to check it, and looks pretty good. Let's look at this. It got some little bit scratches and all that. I know they say that it wasn't coming perfect. I had to maybe fill up some little bit with, I saw somewhere, where I saw it, right here. Let me show you. Gets a little bit, but little bundles, some sanding will work. I saw some little stuff right there, but we're gonna change it to see how it changed the look on my baby. Alright guys, let's do this. Alright guys, let me show you what do we need, what tools we need, and how it's gonna do this. Alright, let's open the hood. Okay, we need I think they're 13 to 14 millimeters. No, we're gonna check. We'll see, because I'm not pretty sure. Well, actually, we're only going to remove those on the other side, and remove the shock, the air shock. For this, we always use a I don't know, some kind of screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and we might need to remove also that bolt. We're gonna check on the hood, on the other hood, to see if we need it. Okay, let's do that. I would like to have this. Where's the firewall, something like that. Because I like the Chevy sign right there, but I don't think it will fit on the other one, because it doesn't have those things to put it. But let's see how it works and how it looks also. I mean, I think it's gonna look badass. Okay, let's do that. Let me get all the tools we need and check, remove this hood and put the other one. Alright, let's do that. Okay guys, this is what we need. We need a kind of screwdriver or one of these things where you can just like pick it and pull it. Well, we need that, or a screwdriver like I'm telling you. And we need a ratchet and a 14 millimeter socket, or like I'm doing with the sorry guys, we're back. Yeah, like I'm telling you, we need a 14 millimeter socket or a screwdriver or one of these things. I don't know what they're called. That's the only tools we're gonna need to change the hood. Okay, let's do this. Let me take off the hood and put the other one, and we'll get back to you. All right, let's do this. Alright guys, the hood is officially off the car, but I noticed I forgot to tell you that we also need to change or remove the windshield or the wipers thing, liquid splash. I don't know what how it's called. And for this, it was kind of hard though. I removed it. It was kind of hard. I got 4 little attachment things. This one got I broke this one little bit, but it was alright. I mean, this one came off good, and also that one. So I think we are good. And then I only need to remove this one and this one and start to the new hood. The bad thing on this hood, how it's fiber. We need, it's not carbon fiber, but it's fiber. So well, actually, we need to do the holes on this one. You're gonna see how that works. And like I said, first, I think I'm gonna do the holes right there, and then install all this and put the hood, because I don't think it will work if I put the hood and then try to install it. I mean, I think it's not gonna work, because it's gonna be like kind of hard to do the hole in there and all that. So let's do that, and let's see if anything else come up, any problems come up or stuff. All right, let's do that. Okay, guys, we're gonna finally install the wipers thing, but we had to do the little holes. For that, we also need to do these holes also. We had to do so 2, 3, 4, and there's another one somewhere here. We had to take off this piece of wood to look where it's supposed to go, the other one. And I already got ready my drill with my tip. We're gonna make these two first, then I'm gonna do this next. I think I might need to change the tip for like bigger one. Just trying to not get to the really edges, because I don't want to pass and then trying to install the thing and it's gonna be wiggling and stuff. So first, let me do that, and then we get going on this. All right, let's do this. All right, time to test to fit this thing. I mean, I already did the little holes where it's supposed to go. I mean, I think I did good. I mean, it's scratch, but it's alright. And let's see. Let's give it a try and see if it fits. Alright. It's supposed to be going in here. Let's see. There's one. And there's 2, 3. And this one is a little bit hard. 4. There you go. It fit. And now this one, you went through, and this one, the other one was right here, but since this one got broke, I'm gonna move this one to here so I can put it in here, and we're gonna do that. And how it's gonna do that? Actually, we just need to, like, let's see. Yeah, I need to pull it. Put this down and maybe with a little screwdriver, trying to put this one. All right, let me do that and I'll get back to you. Let's see. All right, guys, I already moved it to this way, to this side, and now let's test fit it. There you go. Now everything is good. I mean, everything is done where it's supposed to go. I just need to take out that piece of wood out and install it and see how it fits, how it looks, and you'll see from there. All right, let's do that. All right, guys, we're back. I already installed the hood I put the screws, the air shock, and I already also put back the hose for the windshield, the water for the windshields. And now it's time to close this hood and see how it looks. And then I'm gonna fix that. I don't like it. I'm gonna have to cut it to fit. I mean, cut it real tight, like that, cause that looks not good. I'm gonna cut it real how it's supposed to be go, and that's gonna be later. Right now, oh man, I'm kind of nervous, guys. Let's close this hood and see how it looks. All right. I know it needs some. I need to fix that. Yep. Let's get in there. Let's get in there. I like it. I like it. I don't know. Put in your comments, guys, if you like it. How is getting my Camaro. I know it's a bit six, but we're trying to make it the zl1 1E. I've been doing a lot of these mods on this car. I'm gonna do later in a video that how I've been changing everything, because like I can tell you like a year ago I had a car accident, and this lady passed a red light and hit my car and messed up all my front end from my original car. And instead putting back like the normal, I decided to upgrade for the 2019 or the 2018 zl1 1E. I got over there the other pieces that goes in here, the other wing right here. I'm gonna show you a little bit how is this car going. I did change also the tail lights. You know, mine were the round ones. I put a zl1 tail lights. I'm still working on it. I'm not done yet, but this is how it's coming. I put the CL wing. Those are the tail lights. That is a 2015 back bumper. I adapted. I did some fiber in here so I can install that's because the 14, 15, the bumpers only goes to here, like to this here, like all the line like that. So I had to add all this piece of plastic and put some fiber and bundle all that. I still need to fix kind of here. I'm still working on that. I still need to put the wind. The wind is just like, I just put it like that. I mean, it's not a screw or something. But here's it going. I mean, I hope get it finished around like less than a month. Then I finish that. I still gotta finish this. And it's not gonna take me that long. I mean, it's a little bit, and I mean, the car is gonna be on. I got interior. I put red seat interior. I got a big ass screen. I'm gonna put. Also got custom. What are this called? Bezels, or I don't know what they're called. This or that. I got custom that one, the one in the trunk, but I still not installed it yet. I'm gonna do the Rolls Royce lights, you know, those little stars on it. I already got the key. I just need to install it. Got a lamp on the car. Your lamp doors. we got a lot of mods on this car. Already spent a lot of money also. And well, we're gonna finish this. I hope to finish this car in less than a month. So, and I hope the weather helps me, because I need to at least get a 70 degrees so I can start the wrap. I'm gonna do a wrap on this car. I got the wrap, and I'll show you later. But I mean, this is how it's going. I got 24s on the car, and what can I say? I mean, we still got some stuff to do to the car. Let me know if you like it, and get a like on the channel, subscribe for the future things on this car, and I hope you like it. We'll see you next time, and peace out. Peace.